بغلنا زرقوا دم بالنزو بغلنا في عادية تبي بغلنا نبي يوم بكرسو بغلنا زرقوا لبا ودم بنيبو بكون شري من يرلم بلا ونبدي ربنا ونقولت من يلتما بنيانا gurgulan shi surum kana kaka fur gurgulan bora bana fur gurgulan borle antana gurgulan bora ka ba fashi surum kana yarda jirba na mawle yo san jibere zan mu wo in kar dukul ma kan yanya dundon ma ko yabi ko zan wo kardu in kar labna lan kardu
My brothers and sisters, this is the great man Yakubu, a powerful spiritual man who live in another part of Ghana. Yeah, who live in another part of Ghana. Who live in another part of Ghana, and I live in largest village in West Africa called Yendi. That is where I live, and I'm happy to be here. And the reason why I am happy to be here is many malams and many pastors are here to fraud or to take what my fellow Ghanaians, my brothers' money, and they are not solving their problem for them. And I'm here to solve the problem. Yeah, I'm here to solve the problem. Me chair obia oheme. Mo papa, mo mame, mo ba, mo nuya bemba the great man Yakubu. Me chair good evening. Oh Hamia. Oh Hemi the great man Yakubu. Me ba ha say how tine edeme so me ba say no. Me ba be yi mu afiri hawo mu. How na de me ba e na me so me ba be yi afiri hawo mu. Mporo mabeda gbamba iyanga ibia iba itizo nduna anfo no zo ne duna katale zo kan duna malagu zo kan duna kasangu zo me duna be pa ko tulu nu ko ma on pa gaptaba kale ne yina ta gabgalatin ya kanyi mo yundu mamo anto gabgal to man yan gabgalita mene kana kyongoma mbakana mtusu nkana mtafa bai mbakana nkusu nkana mte fanya via bai kachaka tane mabe dabamba tisabuka tambale na wonyo kwani insha Allah na gaisuwan manyan mutanen Ghana na gaisuwan mata da maza samanu na gaishin kowa da kowa diyan ku ke magana ga da great man Yakubu na da magana na fito western the largest village in West Africa is Yendi ujin na ke magana na fito ga ina nan domin ke ne ina nan domin ke na so nan ganin tanye ka ba na so nan ganin in saka cikin magana ba na so nan ga in tanye ka ba na so nan ga saka cikin magana ba in ka san kaman dai kana da magana kana da problems ya hankuri duba kan screen na ka doka nan ba ka text ni kan WhatsApp in kana Nigeria ne kana UK ne duniya ga duka ujin da kika ke da ce duba kan screen na doka nan ba ka text ni she bukatan ka biya da ikon Allah in ba ka text ni ba kai bashi ni ne kaninka yayanka babanka kakanka the great man Yakubu na so nan tanye ka ni in ka san kana son tanye na ce ka duba kan ka doka nan ba ka kira my brothers and sisters, I told you I'm here to remove it in a problem, but I'm not here to put you in a problem. And my brother, you are just watching me because of my spirit. Because of you have a problem, that is why you are watching me. And if you know that you are watching me this evening, and you have a what? You have a spiritual problem, my brother, please just watch on the screen and pick my number, and I'll help you. But before I will help you, if you know that you have a problem and you don't have money to buy the items for your work or for your problem, please don't call me or don't pick my number. I know that I'm there because of you, and you too are there because of me. And I'm there to help you, and I'm there to solve your problem to you, and I'm there to let you be a rich. I'm there to let your children or your son or yourself to go abroad. I'm there to let you win a lotto. I'm there to let your business to go on. I'm there. If you want to win a safari bet, I'm there because of you. I'm there to let anybody to know who you are because of you are a musician. And if you want a good star, pick my number. And my brothers, this is campaign year. This is campaign year. And I don't want to talk much. In this world, anywhere you are, and you are a president, or you are an MP, or you are anything, and you need a post, even not election year, if you need a post, try to pick my number and talk to me, the great man Yakubu #1. And I will help you to let you get a post. I know that I'm not your God. I'm not your God. I will let you know. I'm a spiritual man. And I will solve your problem for you, and then you will be happy forever. And it is the God who gives you the problem. And it is the God, the same God, who let you know that I'm the one who will help you. That is why you just see me this evening. That is why you just see me this evening. So my brother, don't say that someone have been taking your money to chop, my brother. So you will never pick any money again. My brother, please. Pick me, my number, the great man Yakubu. And I'll let you know difference between white and black. They take a hot water, they take a cool water and mix it. And I'm here to differentiate it. And if the person who is watching me, if they tell you they will take a hot water and what? And cool water to mix it. And they told you to differentiate, can you do that? Never. But if it's not me, the great man Yakubu, nobody can do it. So try your best to pick my number and I'll solve your problem. Mame, Papa, Moba, the great Mala Yakubu. Madika Kacham Meba Hassan to Mimbe Yore, Mimbe Yumu Free Home, Mimba Hassan Mimfa Mimia Gania, and I'm in Mame, and I'm in your bar, and I'm in your bema, and funny to my Semudabi. Me waha wunti, and a waha cameno, minty, and also waha. And I'm a person me catch or say, Mimi Nyame, Nyame or bomb or ho, and a Nyame or bo or ho, and a yina bag yasano. But person me catch or say, if unim se uwa haumu, and a Nyame ne mao, a nipa dansani ne mawa, me pocho, mame, and a papa, and a minia bema, and a minia ba, Chris na family number, Nami the great Mala Yakubu, Mimbo, Emma or how yina and solve me pocho. And if unim say umpe unni how be a me porchman from a number and from me. And before we frame making sure say ukita usika e wo so ansa na we frame na ma bo. Member has a scanty o ye medical shram tie me. Member has a scanty. Nyame no wadika shrame. And if say me so me shira o. And if unim say uya penyini if you grow a pastor, unim se opemboa me pa ocho from me na the great Mala Yakubu. Na insha Allah na ubibia enko ye ma. Mame, unim se otwi taxi. Ana papa otwi taxi, and taxi no untimi nya customers am se fa me number na frame. Ana unim se oye musician otonyam. Otonyoma obi opese ogrofan hunu. Ti se sande obi enim shetawale no. Wait my friend, wait my family number after me. Na yo so yan bompa yan mo obi aye de be ehunu wo so. What man say there? And I open lotto number. Mame. Lotto number at 7 day. A double. And then snap to a back on a day. And then Nina ebesi 1 million. If only say only 1 million. Man friend catch us up a lotto number me power chow. Lotto number ajuma enye easy. If open national kura from Friday. Na me ye me ya ajuma now. National day no afrem na me number manu akokakokwa. Mama obi enhu number 1 won kwala wetwa. Na wadi. And if upe sika yefre kudi l'argent sika Ghana force sika asante manam sika wo abochimai wo hem po ochew me mpese mi kasa bebre enye kasa no na ya adwuma ne o oba me ho ene wo ade ope no bebi akosie ma wa enne ewe de me enne pa chese me ene me ye anokure wo ba kope enti first scripts na family number text me WhatsApp ko YouTube na ko check the great male yaku me shaho me ohonom ube hunu me ofa ko YouTube be hunu me bisa wo TV so me se me ba ha se munti mame if unu me se uwa hawmu na me unu me se uwa hawni mu me se family number na fra me the great male yakubu na me ma wa brabo nyina enko yie mawo if u pese wa brabo ko yie me se family number u family number wa boka o. No, don't think that if you take my number, you lost. No. If you take my number, your problem will solve. All your problem in spiritual will be solved. Unu say by for air hawa, they say family number na friend mame. Ade Ghanaians, ade Muntie. If you are Africa, you are world, but dia me say Muntie, mo papa, the great man Yakum ne kasano. Amon fa ba be jumusika di. My piaba, I'm out to remove you in the problem. Remember, I said, I'm not here to insult anybody. I'm here to give you an advice. And I'll let you know that I'm the only powerful speaker who can change your life. But if you refuse, you lost. Actually. Now, so Mokumagana, Manya Mutan in Ghana. And Kasa Karason in Tanyeka, Mbaka Ghana, Manache, Dokara Maraka Krani. Nana get after kuchikin damo ba nana ga sa kuchikin damo ba ni nka sakara la kana chikin damo de kudi ga son kana so loto na bari kana so ka business ke te on na che baka ba duba ka scheme na do kana mara ka kirani shebu ga ta ka biya ko Allah ni ke baka magana na great man Yakubu nini ya ni kenan ba kowa bane to shin kasan kama kana so nin tanyeka ba so yi magana da yawa ina nan in bar ga gane abu da ake ce magani in ka san kana so magani ni na san Qur'an ya sani na san Qur'an ya sani da shi ka san kana so nin tanye ka ni malam ni in ka san kana so nin tanye ka nace doka na malaka kira the great malam Yakub number 1 nga kira na video call ni ne ka mu fira ni kenan malam Yakub ba kowa bane. The Shidubaka skip never look at Nambana. My brother, just watch on the screen and pick my number and contact me, the great man Yaku. If you are there because of spiritual problem, stop. Don't go anywhere. This is your last stop. This is your first stop. And I am the one who will change your life. If you refuse, you will lose. I'll not talk much. If you are abroad and your business is not going on, pick my number. Or you there, you don't have a papers, pick my number. I'm here because of you, and you are there because of me. You are watching me live today. It's me, the great man Yakubu. If you search for me and you don't get me today, I'm there. So pick my number, my brother, and contact me. I'm not here to insult anybody, or I'm not here to put anybody in a problem. I'm here to solve your problem to you. That is why I'm now here. So trust me. Don't go to anywhere. Don't go to any pastor. Don't go to any spiritual man. Just come to me, the great man Yakubu, and I'll solve your problem. If you want to be someone, contact me. If you want your problem to solve, you contact me. But if you want to be a problem all the time, don't contact me. And before I solve your problem, you're supposed to have money. If you don't have money, I cannot help you. Actually, if you don't have money, I cannot help you. Seriously. Yeah. And the reason, I have a reason. You can't have a problem and you don't have a money. Yeah. You can't have a problem and you don't have money. If you have a problem and you don't have money, more problems. When you have a money, you have a problem, it can solve. Actually. So I'll not talk much. I'll not talk much. Mommy, who your oba? Unim say unya awoni ho. Uyo obema unim say okota wu. Obema no awu. Papa Mr. Famina mana frame. If unim say o yare bia o how. Mr. Famina mana frame o. If you are sick, I said if you are sick, any sickness that you have, I promise you that if you contact me, I will help you to solve it for you. Yeah. I'm not here to what? To put you in problem. I'm telling you, my brother, I know that it's God who created me and created you. And I know that it's God who give you the problem. But I promise you that if you take my number and contact me, I'm the one who will solve your problem. I'm the one who will change your life in future. I'm not helping you today. I'm helping you because of tomorrow. To be a someone in future. And you will be a big man in life. And I'll see you and I'll be happy. But I'm not giving you money to go and take to go and take a drinks. No. I'm there to help you. And you can watch what if I help you to get the money, you have a children, you have a wife, you have a family, and you can take care of them. That is why I'm there to help you. Do you understand? So if you are a man or if you are a woman and you need my help, my brother, I don't want to talk much. Pick my number and I'll help you. If you have any spiritual problem, any spiritual problem that you have, I said pick my number. What they call spiritual money. If you want to join a group or a court, I have many courts here. You can come to me and join it. You understand? And I give you 1 month. You're supposed to what? Your life is supposed to be changed. Yeah. So my brother or my sister, trust me. Just put all your belief and your trust on me, and you will succeed what you need from me. Actually, I told you this is campaign year. You are MP, you are DC, you are a minister. I say pick my number and contact me, the great Mala Yakubu, and we will talk. And I will show you the road that you pass, and you succeed what you need. Yeah. But if you refuse, I think you cannot get what you need. Yeah. Just me. Just watch me. Mala Yakubu, number 1. In Yerme, I bound our border something. Can ye bully something in Bolima? My young son, I may. Can yell the belly, but I can't say, aye. Me a dogombani, Nyela Tagbana. I made dogomba man. Need dogombani. And the Sakaraso Magani. Nkazojira. Bukata kaya biya. Ba iko na bo iko Allah. Nkazojira bukata kaya biya. Ni ban so yi magana dewa. Ina nan domin ke ni o. Ke makana nan domin ni. And if ana ce maka kan magani muni maganin nan. If they are talking about it spiritually, so we are spirits. We are spirits. Omuka o ti so musi we wa duru. No. Yene wa duru no. Anyo bia mia. And if we himself pemon boa bapa, Mr. Fabinamba, I will not talk much. Pick my number and contact me, and I'll solve your problem. Yeah. If you refuse, you will lose. Yeah. I said, if you refuse, you will lose. Yeah. I don't want to talk much. I'm hungry. Many calls I have on my phone and many messages. Some people are using my pictures to fraud some people are using my video. Some people chop some people's money and they couldn't do their work for them. My brother, forget about all those things. Just pick my number, the great man Yakubu, and I'll solve your problem. Yeah, and I'll solve your problem. If you refuse, you will lose. I said, if you refuse, you will lose. Yeah. This is the great man Yakubu that you are searching for. Since last time, or since a years back, you couldn't see me. I'm now here. So trust me, my brother. I don't want to talk much. If you have any spiritual problem, you contact me. If you have any spiritual problem, you contact me. And I'll solve your problem. And Canada, spiritual problem, one spiritual problem. Nache kirani, she bukatan ke biya de ko Allah. Nga kira bukatan ka ya biya. O frère ya, o biya ebe de be ko yi. Me se o frère ya, o biya be ko yi. Enye se me yewu ya me ye asancheni. Me ye asancheni ka kira mo hunu. After doing this video or after finishing my program, I'll just comment some small money. I'll just comment some small money to see. After here, I'll do some small action. Because if I'm here and I couldn't do anything, you will say that, oh, man, Yakubu, no, you don't try. I'll try. I'll do something small. And you will see. And know that I'm the one who can change your life. So, if you want me to change your life, trust me. Pick my number on the screen and call you. I don't want to talk much. Pick my number on the screen and call me. Yeah. Pick my number on the screen and call me. Just watch on the screen and pick my number, my brother. Contact me, the great man Yakubu. I'm the only powerful spiritual man who can change your life. I don't want to speak much, my brother. I'm here to help you. Do you understand? I'm just here to help you. I'm not here to insult anybody. So if you have any spiritual problem, even if you are sick, try to call me the great man. If you are sick, serious sickness, contact me. We have many of sickness. We have many of sickness. So don't be saying that because of malaria or something. That's not a sickness. If you are a poor man, it's a sickness. If you don't have money, it's a sickness. If your business is not going on, it's a sickness. If you want to grow in future, or if you want to be a big man in future, it's a sickness. So trust me, I'm not here to what? I'm here to remove it in a problem. But seriously, I'm not here because of joking. Many people are come on TV, so I'm there to come on TV. No, you know me already. And you know what I can do and you know what I cannot do. Trust me. Never. Yeah. Me papa. Mommy. Mr. Family number. And yes, sir, I send me a Mr. Family number. One family number be boka. Family number. Huh? Family number, papa. Contact me and I'll help you. Seriously. Never. Chibli. You can't do asama. Why they are doing no? Me no know. If they are talking about a spirit, who is a spiritual man? I'm the one. In this world, the whole world, if they are saying that this man is a spiritual man, we are spiritually. I am the one, the great man in Yaku. Who give you a spirit? Why am I want to do? Why? I am me, the great man. Me not make change your life. If I never be anti me, I damage my ear. No. Trust me. Trust me. My brother, don't be watching me. I'm not a poor man. I'm a rich man. So if you want to send your money to me, don't be shocked. Send your money to me and I'll help you. Call me and I'll help you. Call me and I'll change your life. Yeah. I don't want to speak more. I told you after here I'll do some small action to see. I'll just chop some money and you will see how the money, how I'm doing my work. Just some few minutes I'll take to do something. And you see it. Cameraman, I'm coming. I just want you to see something. I don't want to talk much. Many people say that we cannot do anything. How do you know me? Come and watch. Cameraman, see. What is inside? Nothing. So I just want to comment the money. I just want to comment the money. Well, okiti katapa ya abana mamu wata kwata bata jahin chafata dua. Sim alisene kantab nan kanya. Cameraman. What? My best time in Chile, my dear, my friend, Adro. Sika. Sika, my best time in Sika. Oh, kiti katapa ya abana mamu wata kwata barata. Jahili jafata katabata shata jua. Jatua ojahui omokutu ogurumudu azugurumu abugurumu afakatua atim alsini pali katam nankanya. We Ghana city of a way. We Ghana cities. Me pesa makasa bebreo we Ghana cities. We sika efre Ghana cities. Just see, that is money, my brother. I just want you to see what they call, man. This is dollar. Where dollars? Okay, dollar. Where you know dollars? Maybe Ghana city, no. Where euro? Abrochomaiska. Okay. I am the great man like Yakub. If any of you know me, I say, just give me some family number. I am the only powerful spiritual man who can change your life, my brother. Just pick my number. This is Ghana cities. You see, this is dollar. You see. So I don't want to speak much. Pick my number and contact me, the great man like Yakubu. I'm the only powerful spiritual man who can change your life. I'm the only powerful spiritual. This is Ghana, so this is dollar. See, that is dollar, my brother. I don't want to talk much. This is money. It's a Europe. See, my brother. So try to contact me and I'll change your life. I'm the only powerful spiritual man who can change your life in this world. Only me. I want you to know, if it's not me, nobody. Pick my number and contact me, the great man like Yakubu. And I will let you to be someone in future. Just contact me. Just call me the great man. This one is a pounce. See, if you are in this world and you never see a pounce, see, this is pounce. Only me can comment this man. Oh, nobody in this world. It's a pounce. Trust me. It's a pounce. That is money. See money, plenty money, lying down over there. If you know that you need it, you can contact me, the great man. I'm the powerful spiritual man who can let you to be a someone. This is money. Yeah, it's money. Trust me. I don't want to talk much, my brother. I said, if you need money, contact me. That is pounds. Yeah, pounds. Only me, only a powerful spiritual man who can change your life. And many people are here saying that, what is money? What is money? You think I'm here because of joking, my brother? No, never. Not joking here. We are here to let people to know. I told you I'm here to defend between white and black. Do you understand, my brother? If you are there and you need the money, contact me, the great man like Yakubu, and I will change your life. Yeah, I will change your life. Just many lives. See, this is one. Still Europe. And I will never lie to you. No. I will never lie to you. Wife, I'm a Ghanaian, you are a Ghanaian, so how can I lie to you? No. This one is a dollar. You see? That is dollars, my brother. So if you need a dollar, you can contact me, the great man like Yakubu. Yeah, if you need a dollar, you can contact me. That is dollar. See, a dollar. That is dollar. See, my brother, I don't want to talk much. See, that is dollar. See, dollars. Real dollars. We are here to solve your problem. This is Ghana studies. Just watch it. Ghana studies. So I'm here to solve your problem. I'm not here to put you in a problem. My brother, I'm here to solve a problem. I'm not here to put you in a problem. So trust me. Yeah, trust me. My brother and sister, this is money. This is money. Just watch. This is money. Real dollars. So if you are abroad or anywhere, just pick my number and contact me, the great man like Yakubu, and I'll solve your problem. I'm here because of you, and you too, you are there because of me. So try your best more and pick my number on the screen and contact me. It's a money. It's a dollar. See, it's a dollar. So I will never lie to you, my brother. It's a dollar. Yeah, it's me who can change your life. If it's not me, nobody can change your life. Just watch it. If it's not me, nobody can change your life. So trust me. And I'm just here because of you. And you are watching me because of me. And I will not talk much. This is money. All this money is money. See money. See, my brother. You are a human being like me. And I'm there to commend the money. See money. Contact me, the great man Yakubu. And I'll bless you up. I'll just bless you up. Seriously. If you are abroad, anywhere, just contact me. It's money, man. Come on, man, let them see the money. Let them see the money. It's money. All is money. It's money. Just watch it. It's money. So I'll not talk much. I'll not talk much. That is money. If you are talking about a spirit, and this is spirit, it's money and this is spirit. Just see. It's money. We don't talk. We are not about talking. Just contact me and I'll change your life. Yeah. It's money. It's me, the great man. I trust myself. And if you know that you are a spiritual man and you have a what? You have a speech and you want to challenge me, come to challenge me. So I'll not talk much. I'm greeting anyone who is watching me. Thank you for watching me. The great man, thank you for watching me. If you want to contact me, pick my number on the screen and I'll help you. Papa, mama, me call Obi Beba. I'm going, but someone will come. Mr. Family number, don't take anybody's number and I'll help you. But if you refuse, you will lose. I'll not talk much. Assalamu alaikum. I'm greeting anyone. I'm greeting anyone. Yeah. Bye bye.